In this video, we are going to perform a water test on Huawei Mate 10 Lite. Huawei Mate 10 Lite is not waterproof. Before testing, I checked the functions of the Huawei Mate 10 Lite. Washing test. I sprinkled water all over the phone. This simulated the scenario where the mobile phone gets wet on a rainy day. The touchscreen is not responding to the water drops. I think Huawei Mate 10 Lite is splash-proof. I'll keep it like this for 30 seconds and then I'll wash the phone. Let's see whether the phone still works fine. Water may have entered the interior of the phone, but the phone is performing normally. No disordered response of the touchscreen even though there's water on it. The display looks good, performs smoothly. The camera is clear. Loudspeaker is also working normally. Immersion test. Let's try playing video underwater. I started the timer on Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. The immersion test was supposed to last for 5 minutes, but when the phone entered the water, I saw bubbles coming out of the phone. Bubbles came out from the loudspeaker. The headphone input was dripping water. The loudspeaker was very wet. Although the water is there, the audio quality is still good. In order to continue to the next experiment, I need to dry the phone. Shower test. The camera is clear. Huawei Mate 10 Lite works normally after the immersion test. In this test, the SIM card slot, which is not waterproof, will face up. Will water slip into the SIM card slot? Let's see. Huawei Mate 10 Lite will stay under drenching water for 30 seconds. 30 seconds later. When I took the phone out of the water tank, I found the rear camera a little blurry. There is water mist in the lens. It is clear that water has entered the interior of the phone. There is moisture in the camera lens glass. No issue with the touchscreen. The other functions of the phone are normal. There is water on the back of the phone. I wipe the water on the back of the phone and see if the camera is clear. Oops! Huawei Mate 10 Lite blacks out. It cannot boot anymore. I disassemble the phone and check the internal conditions. There is water inside the phone. The battery is wet too. There is water on the motherboard. I wrapped wet phone parts in a dry paper towel. 2 days later, I reassembled the phone and tried to boot. The phone could boot normally. My Huawei Mate 10 Lite survived. The display looks good, performs smoothly. Loudspeaker is also working normally.